Today, I'll be sharing a cleaning motivation. Some of you asked me whether I have a cleaning routine, and yes, I do. For instance, the countertops and the cooker I'm cleaning as I go several times a day. Well, knowing the most dirty places like sink, I'm washing daily. Bathroom mat once a week, and the washing machine seal now and then. But I'm always keeping the door open when not in use, for prevent the mold. The temperatures in Luxembourg turned friendlier, and I got itchy fingers for some mini intro into a spring cleaning. And want to share with you the secret dirty places at home. The kitchen cabinet surfaces in this apartment are glossy. It makes all the fingerprints visible, but it's also very easy to clean. So I'm going around and wiping them effortlessly off time after time. But there is some invisible place where the dirt is collecting, but not so often cleaned, especially in built-in kitchens. The door tops. Yuck. For rid of it, I've got a multi-usage, environmental friendly grease remover from Renox and gentle fabric scrub. Tada! No dirt anymore, just the paint marks which are staying for good, but I can deal with that. We are enjoying more and more sunny hours, but guess what? The sun reveals all the dust from the street glued with the raindrops on the glass. I don't know if you can tell, but those windows are not transparent anymore and shouting out for scrubbing.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
It's not a big science to make it clean. Spray, brush, squeegee, wipe, repeat.
What we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Did you ever thought how it looks like the top of the window frame? Right, it's dirty. I'm cleaning it with the simple window cleaner and the rag. And it works like a charm.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through.
Professional cleaner tip. Move the squeegee vertically on one side and horizontally on the other side. That lets you easy to locate the side of unclean spot if ever there was one.
What we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it.
Much like you, I want our dishes clean and sanitized, so once a month, just how it meant to be, I'm washing also a dishwasher with a designated cleaner, then giving a brushing to the seals and filter, and I guess it's clean. Until once I discovered this place underneath the door. Are you ever cleaning this, or just me having no clue where the dirt accumulates? Leave me a comment down below. Once upon a time, we had a man from the washing machine service. To fish out how it turned out later, very expensive sock. And during he was chasing the sock in the filter, we got a lesson about the care of washing machine. Instead of spending on Calgon, is more efficient and cheaper way to protect it is run and empty with a liquid washing machine cleaner 2 or 3 times a year, pour out the rest of water from the detergent drawer at the end of the laundry day, and keep it open when not in use for the air dry. As I said, I'm cleaning this sink daily. This one is ceramic and it requires just a bit of scrubbing sometimes, but fairly, it looks great the most of the time. Although the grit is my less favorite, as I'm not a fan of soapy sprinkles all over the places while I'm trying to clean. But as I'm on the mission, nothing can stop me, and the tap with hose connection come in handy. And yes, this is a thing not frequently cleaned, because yeah, it's a hidden one. Have you also some secret dirty places to reveal? Are you cleaning or ignoring them? Write me a comment. And well, now I'm tired but a happy camper. And even though I can't see those clean places, but knowing they are clean, it's really satisfying. If you like this video, please give me the thumbs up and smash this subscribing button. Also share it with those to whom it might be useful. Thanks for watching, greetings from Luxembourg, and see you in the next one. Eddie!